Hi, this is John, and in this clip I'll be talking about tool inspection. You always want to make sure that all of your tools are in proper working order, whether they be a hand tool or a power tool. If you have a machine that is broken or not working properly, the two choices you have are to either not use the tool or to get it fixed. Before you use any tool, you want to thoroughly inspect the cord. The cord is the lifeline of your tool. It'll keep you from getting injured, and it'll make sure that your tool is working properly. And lastly, before you use any tool, you want to make sure that the guards are properly placed and in good working condition for the tool that you're going to be working on.